Hi guys! This week we've been learning all about a personal narrative and how to write them. Remember, a personal narrative is a story where you are the main character and you tell about one single event in your life. We use words like I, me, my, and mine when we're writing a personal narrative. Let's get started. I'm going to take out my writing folder. Take out my writing folder, and I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the writing that did the other day. I wrote 3 pages. I wrote about how I went to Disney. Here's my pages. Now, I thought back to my mentor text, not Norman, about the goldfish, and I remember that the illustrator, he's the one that draws the pictures. And when he draws the pictures, he adds the setting to the story. The setting is where and when the story takes place. All I have is a car right now. So I'm going to take my pages and I'm going to go ahead and add the setting to my writing so that I can make it look more complete. So if I'm driving, I'm probably on a road. And in the middle of the road, there are lines to tell us where to go. And I'm also outside, so I'm going to add a sun so that I can make sure that I have a setting on this page that I'm driving to Disney. And along the road, there are trees behind my car. And I watched them as I went by on my trip to Disney. Now I've added a setting to my page. You know what? I should add a setting to all of my pages. Let me find my other page. Ooh, this is when I went on the ride, the teacups, while I was at Disney. I'm going to go ahead and add the setting to this page now. Remember, the setting is where and when the story took place. So this is during the day. I'm going to add a sun because that tells me that it's during the day and it's not at night. And it was inside of the ride. And there's railings like this. So I'm going to draw the railings. And sometimes there's other people in teacups too. And sometimes they're empty. So I'm going to draw another teacup so that you can see that there's another teacup on this ride too. Wow. Did you see what I just did? I added a setting to my writing. Oh, I have another page too. I'm going to add a setting to that one as well. This is when I saw Mickey. When I saw Mickey, we were inside and there were curtains behind him. So I'm going to draw some curtains on both sides of him. And there was some rope around the curtains. Remember, we're just sketching the outline too when we draw our picture. We don't color in quite yet. So now I can see that I'm inside and I've added a setting to my story. Now it's your turn. Look back at your writing and try to add a setting in yours.